Agent Crimson Hawk moved through the shadows of 1952 Berlin, clutching a battered radio and a pocket full of secrets. His mission: transmit coded messages disguised as rare bird calls, orchestrating a deception so subtle even seasoned Soviet operatives were fooled. Every night, atop a crumbling rooftop, he chirped out instructions to Allied informants, while the Soviets listened in, convinced they were intercepting genuine intelligence. The twist? Those signals actually directed Soviet agents into their own traps, flipping the game and exposing a web of betrayal none saw coming.